Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Komi, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you people how to draft a pattern. So this video is basically on pattern drafting. So I have a shirt that I want to make. So I will be showing you guys how I drafted the pattern and how I cut what I drafted. So in the video, you'll be seeing the exact shirt I want to make, and you will also learn how I drafted the pattern. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I make any posts. And also to my existing and returning subscribers, thank you for always being here, and thank you for all the comments, all the well wishes. I really appreciate them. Do not forget to keep on sharing, liking, and commenting. Without much talk, I'll be diving right into the video for the day, so sit back while we do it. Welcome back. So here is the shirt I'll be drafting out today. So to start, I'll measure out 2 inches by 2 inches at this point of the brown paper. I usually use 2 inches by 2 inches because I prefer to trim the neckline to the actual neck size of the client only when I'm ready to fix the collar. Next is to mark out 8 inches for the shoulder. And add 0.5 inches for the sewing allowance. Then mark out 10 inches for the armhole. Then rule a line to connect the markings. After which I'll measure out 1.5 inches down the armhole from the shoulder. Then rule a line from the tip of the neckline, slanting down to the armhole, meeting where I marked out 1.5 inches earlier. So to mark out the chest measurement, I will mark out 10.5 inches on the chest line. Then add 1.5 inches to the 10.5 inches, that's for the ease allowance. For the bodice length, mark out 28 inches from the shoulder down. And rule a line to connect the markings. Before adding extra 2 inches for the folding allowance. Moving forward, because I don't want the size of this shirt to be straight cut, I will mark out 18 inches from the full length of the shirt, starting from the shoulder down. This is the half length of the bodice. After that, mark out the belly size, which is 10.5 inches. Then proceed to connect the markings starting from the armpit to the navel line, then to the base of the shirt. Then at this point, rule a curved line because this point should not be too straight. After that, I will use my French curve and make an arc for the neckline. Before I draw the arc for the armholes, I'll mark out 4.5 inches, which is half the length of the armhole. and then draw the armhole arcs. Being done with this face, I'll trace out every line I made with a marker for more visibility. After which I'll mark out the center of the bodice, which is 6 inches starting from the shoulder down to the base. Then rule a straight line connecting all the markings. On the base side of the line, I will mark out 0.5 inches on both sides. Before marking out 7 inches long on the same line from the base up. Then draw the lines making a cone-like shape. After that, mark out 1.5 inches on the navel line. Then draw a line from that 7 inches to meet the 1.5 mark on the navel line. And also extend it to the chest region. You can now see the angle of elevation here and the triangle. I will use my marker once more to make my lines more visible. Then I proceed to cut. So guys, here is our pattern for the shirt ready to be outlined on the fabric. I hope this video is insightful and you understood all I did. I encourage you to like, share and leave your thoughts about this video and others in the comments below. And also do not forget to subscribe if you've not done that yet. And lastly, click on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you in my next video. Bye.